So ladies and gentlemen, this is the Bespoke Cotta Steel refrigerator. Now by introducing colors and this Cotta texture into a predominantly steel finish market, Bespoke is set to revolutionize the whole industry.
They hit the mark with the Bespoke French door. They did it again with the Bespoke side-by-side. I thought it would be impossible to replicate the Bespoke success story thrice, Rajiv.
Right.
But they've done it again with the Bespoke Double Door refrigerator.
Absolutely, that's so true, Radhika. The bar for design, aesthetics and technology has now been raised by the Bespoke Cotta Steel refrigerator. By the way, Radhika, what do you think of this premium Cotta finish?
You know, Rajiv, I've always been a fan of Cotta textures. In fact, it's the newest rage in the world of design and interior decor. This premium Cotta steel finish adds a nice earthy vibe to your home, and the beige and charcoal combination lifts the aesthetics of any space. It's so versatile, I love it.
I believe the premium Cotta steel finish is far superior to the existing steel finish in the market. Besides this, the Bespoke Cotta finish series is loaded with industry-defining features. There's the Samsung patented Twin Cooling Plus for freshness and odor-free cooling, and the 5 conversion mode which gives you the flexibility to utilize the refrigerator space as per your needs. There's also a 20-year warranty on the digital inverter compressor and so much more.